Hi guys, let's unbox this AC together. Yes, we're tired of using fan and we decided to go for something different. Yes, this is an inverter AC, and as you know now, an inverter AC saves energy and it uses a very low voltage. Although inverter or no inverter, just do that, your light is going to be drained by this thing. It dey drain like no be small, like it is a whole lot of electricity, or should I say power, whatever it's called. So here are the things he had to buy to use in installing the AC. So this is the guy installing the AC. Yes, he's just fixing one or two. Yes, so this is he trying to put it through the wall. Although this guy faced some difficulties when putting this AC. As you can see, the AC fell. Like after putting it on the wall, like he had already kept it. I don't know how do I explain it. And then the thing fell. He was so lucky that he held it. Like it would have fallen on top his head. Like he said that the AC was like has a lot of weight. I don't know how true that is, but from the look of things, it seems like it actually has a lot of weight. So here he's still trying to fix it. He's still trying to do one or two. Mind you, this is a 2 horsepower AC. Yes, it's a 2 horsepower AC. And in physics, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts, meaning 2 horsepower is equal to 1492 watts. So you can imagine the amount of power, or should I say electricity, that this thing is able to drain or is going to drain. So before buying an AC, check your pockets well and know if you have the amount of money, like, because AC, inverter or non-inverter, drains a whole lot of electricity. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.